In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to add a fill-in-the-blank line in Google Docs. We'll start in a new blank document so everything is easy to see. Begin by going to the Insert menu at the top and choosing Table. From the grid that appears, select a table that's 2 columns by 1 row. This gives you a simple layout with a left area for a label and a right area for the blank space people will fill in. Once the table is in your document, you'll see 2 cells side by side. Click and drag the vertical line between them to the left and adjust the left border too if needed. The goal is to create a small box on the left for your prompt and a wide area on the right for the blank. Click inside the small left cell and type your preferred word, such as a label you want people to respond to. If the text looks cramped, you can nudge the border a bit until it feels balanced. You can also use the toolbar to set the font and size so it matches the rest of your document. Next, let's clean up the table lines so the result looks like a real fill in the blank rather than a grid. Go to the Format menu, hover over Table, and choose Table Options. In the panel that opens, select Color. Under Table Border, set the border width to 0 pt. This hides the visible grid lines so your document looks clean and professional. Don't worry, we're keeping the structure, we're just removing the heavy table look. You should now see your label on the left and a clean area on the right. To finalize the fill-in area, look for the small border drop down on the toolbar and use it to target the correct part of your table by choosing row 2 from the options provided. This ensures the styling applies only where you want it and keeps the label neat while the right side serves as the place to type. At this point, you have a simple, reusable fill-in-the-blank line. If you need more lines, copy and paste the table and change the label text. You can align the label to the right and the entry area to the left for a tidy look, or keep everything centered if that suits your design. As a final tip, preview your document or print a test page to make sure the spacing and line length feel right for the content people will enter. That's all there is to it. Clean, consistent, fill in the blank lines made directly in Google Docs.